छात्रा गरिमा कुमारी को यहाँ मंच पे बुलाना चाहती हूँ। वो कृपया मंच पर आए और अपना एक स्पीच दें। गरिमा कुमारी, बीएससी जियोलॉजी ऑनर्स।
सीधा साधा वेश था, ना कोई अभिमान, खादी की एक धोती पहने बापू की थी शान। A very good afternoon to all of you present over here. I, Garima of Fatima Degree College, would like to thank my college management for giving me this golden opportunity. Today, as we know, we have gathered here to celebrate Gandhi Jayanti. We remember the extraordinary contribution of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation, born on October 2nd, 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. Gandhi dedicated his life to the freedom of India. His unique approach to struggle using non-violence and truth changed the course of history. Gandhi's philosophy of non-violence or ahimsa remains relevant today more than ever in a world where conflicts and violence often seem to dominate. Gandhi's teaching remind us of the power of peace. Gandhi's belief in non-violence was not just a political strategy, it was a way of life. He believed that non-violence was the most powerful weapon for oppressed people. His peaceful protests such as the Dandi March and the Quit India movement showed that justice would be achieved without resorting to aggression or harm. Non-violence, according to Gandhi, begins with the individual. It requires inner strength, patience, and a deep commitment to truth. As we observe Gandhi Jayanti today, we should reflect on how we can practice non-violence in our daily lives, whether in our relationships, our communities, or our responses to the challenges we face. अंग्रेजों के सामने झुके नहीं, अंग्रेजों के सामने झुके नहीं, खुद से उनको ये आस था, शरीर में ताकत नहीं थी पर मन में आजादी का विश्वास था. Today, we should also remember Gandhi's vision of a clean and healthy India. Gandhi strongly believed that cleanliness was the essential for both personal well-being and national progress. His vision of clean India inspired the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan that continues to promote cleanliness across the country. On this special day, let us honor Gandhi's legacy by participating in cleanliness drives, keeping our surrounding clean and spreading awareness about the importance of hygiene. As Gandhi once said, sanitation is more important than independence, and it is up to each one of us to carry forward his message. Gandhi's commitment to truth or Satya was the heart of everything he did. He taught us that truth should be the foundation of our action, whether big or small. As we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti, let us reflect on how we can incorporate these values into our own lives, striving for honesty and simplicity in all that we can do. In honor of Gandhi's legacy, let us all pledge to live more peacefully, showing kindness and understanding to others, and building a world where love triumphs over hatred. जीवन में ये बात सदा याद रखना, जीवन में ये बात सदा याद रखना, सच और मेहनत के हमेशा साथ रहना. बापू तुम्हारे साथ है, हर बच्चों के पास है. बापू तुम्हारे साथ है, हर बच्चों के पास.